Morning, children. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Very good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Don't shout. Say the good morning. That's all. Don't shout.
Good morning.
In previous class, we completed seed germination. So with that, first block is completed for you. And today we are going to start second block. That is, the block name is growing new plants. So if you come across a doubt, first chapter also that only germination is nothing but growing of new plants. The seed germinates and the germinated seedling grows into a new plant. What is special about this chapter? Why again we are dealing with that only growing new plants? Means here we are going to discuss some separate new type of plants which arise without seeds. So here in our daily life we observe two types of plants. Some are flowering plants, some are non-flowering plants. So from the flowering plants we know very well that after the flower changes into fruit. That fruit bears seeds. That seeds again give rise to new plants. That is the process we are observing in daily life. When it comes to here, today's class, we are going to discuss about the plants which are formed without seeds. The new plants are growing without seeds. So how without seeds? Which part of the plant gives rise to a new plant? Without sowing seeds, how the plants will come? So all these things we are going to discuss in today's class. So plants are of two types. Plants are of two types. One is flowering plants and second one is non-flowering plants. First one is flowering plants. Second one is non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants. So these flowering plants in previous classes what we discussed, flowering plants gives rise to flowers. From these flowers, fruits are forming. The fruits contain seeds. So by sowing these seeds, new plants comes. So new plants are arising. When it comes to non-flowering plants, so if there is no flowers, from where we get the new plants? So if the flowers are not there, how the again and again the new plants are coming? From where they are coming? How they are coming? How the new plants are arising? So we are going to discuss about this non-flowering plants, how the plants are coming. So this process, the process from which the non-flowering plants gives rise to new plants, that process, that part is the phenomenon is called vegetative propagation. If the new plants come without seeds, if a new plant is formed without seed, that process is called vegetative propagation. So, before going to discuss about vegetative propagation, why we are calling the process as vegetative propagation? So, if the new plant is coming without seed, so that process is, I said that the process is called as vegetative propagation. What is vegetative propagation? How new plants are coming? Before going to discuss about that, why it is called as vegetative propagation, we have to know. Then only we can understand the other process. So why we are calling it as vegetative propagation means the plant parts like stem, roots and leaves. These three parts, stem, root, leaf or stems, leaves, roots, these are called vegetative parts of a plant. These are called vegetative parts. So, stem, root, leaf, these are the parts of a plant. So, these parts are called vegetative parts. Stem, root, leaf of a plant, these are the plant parts. So, these parts are called vegetative parts. So, if any new plant comes from these stem, root, leaf, that phenomenon, that process is called vegetative propagation. So, without seeds, if a new plant arises from stem or root or leaf, such type of phenomenon, such type of growth is called vegetative propagation. So, these why we are calling as vegetative means stem, root, leaf, these parts are called vegetative parts of a plant. Are you getting it, children? Are you getting it, beta? So, stem, root, leaf, these are the parts of a plant. If any new plant arises without seeds from these plants, if it is arising from seeds, generally called the germination, seed germinates and new plant arises. So here we are discussing about the new plants are coming without seeds. We are not showing any seed. So the new plants are coming from stem, root, leaf. So these three parts are called vegetative parts of a plant. The stem, root, leaf, these are called vegetative parts of a plant. If any growth occurs, if any new plant arises from these three parts, so then we call such growth is called such phenomenon is called vegetative propagation. I think it is clear for you why we are calling that as vegetative propagation. So definition of vegetative propagation is if any the phenomenon repeat with me. Children, please repeat with me. The phenomenon by which new plants are formed the phenomenon by which new plants are formed from any part of a plant, from any part of a plant other than the phenomenon by which a new plants are formed from any part of a plant other than, can you say, other than seeds, is called as vegetative propagation. vegetative propagation. So, the process or the phenomenon by which new plants are formed from any part of the plant, from any part of the plant other than seeds. If there is no seeds, even though the new plant is coming from a plant, that process is called as vegetative propagation. So why we are calling it as vegetative propagation means the parts like stem, leaf and the roots are called vegetative parts of the plant. So if any new plant coming from those, it is called as the vegetative propagation. So how the new plant is coming from stems of some plant, how the new plants are arising from roots of some plant, how the new plants are arising from leaves of some plant, we will discuss in this class. So first of all, did you note this definition? The phenomenon, repeat with me, the phenomenon by which a new plant or new plants are formed from any part of the plant other than seeds is called vegetative propagation. So, this is the definition of vegetative propagation. So, in this vegetative propagation, first of all, we will see about the stem. So, how new plant arises from any part of the, any stem part. So, we discussed about the food stored in stems, some of the examples of modified stems like potato, ginger and sugarcane. So these are the some of the examples of stems in which food is stored. And also for here we are going to discuss about the how new plants are arising from the stems of the plants. Here bamboo also gives rise to new plant from its stem. Bamboo, mint. So these are the some of the examples: potato, ginger, sugarcane, bamboo, mint. These are the some of the examples from which these plants. Potato plant stem. Potato itself is a stem. So how the stem gives rise to a new plant? So the ginger also, the new plant arises from the ginger only, and the sugarcane stems if you plant, then only the new plant will come. So there is no seeds. And bamboo also like that only, and mint also, the stems if you plant with the again it gives rise to a new plant. And chrysanthemum. So all these are the some of the examples of these from where the new plant is. If you observe potato, best example, at our home we are observing potatoes. So on the potatoes you can see the small ice-like structures. So white colored birds or ice-like structures we observe on the potato. So the white color structures, what are the white color growths coming out of from the potato? So if you observe the potato, please observe at home. White color structures are coming out from the potato. So what are those white color structures? So the white color structures which are arising from the potato are called ice or buds. Ice or buds. So potato, before going to discuss about the vegetative propagation of potato is a stem. We have to recall that what we studied in previous classes. So potato is a stem. The potato plant stores food in stem. So potato is nothing but a modified stem. The new plant is arising from the stem means the potato itself from this any new plant arises, it is the vegetative propagation. So from the small white color outgrowths which are arising from a potato, those are called as buds of the potato. So the potato gives rise to new type of new plants from its nodes. The potato gives rise to new plant from its nodes. So nodes means what? Node. Node means it is the from the stem. From the stem, if any branch, leaf, or the new plant if arises from the stem, that part is called as node. If any branch, leaf, or bud arises from the stem, that part is called as node. So, when we say that it is a stem, from this stem only the buds are arising. BUD bud. So, it is a stem. From that stem only the bud is arising. So, then we can call it as node. So, the part of a stem from which if branch, leaf or bud arises, that part is called as node. So here potato is a stem, from that stem only the buds are arising, that means from that bud new plant is coming. From that we can able to grow the another new plant. If we cut that bud and if we plant it somewhere else after drying for some time, again it grows into a new plant. So like that we are not sowing any kind of seed. We are not sowing any kind of seeds. The outgrowths which are coming on the potato itself is a stem. So the outgrowths which are coming, if we cut that outgrowths and if we dry it for some time, after that if we sow it, again if we plant it, it will grows into a new plant. So if any leaf, branch or bud coming out from a stem, that part is called node. So we can say that potato gives rise to new plants from its nodes. So it is the new plant is arising from the stem. So because of that reason, so it is the one of the example of vegetative propagation. So here we are not showing any kind of seeds from the potato stem itself. New plant is coming. So that is a vegetative propagation. Are you getting it, children? Are you getting it, ma? So what is vegetative propagation? If a new plant is forming, if a new plant is coming, if a new plant is growing without seeds, is called from any part of the plant, if a new plant is arising without seeds, that growth is called as, that process is called as vegetative propagation. Are you getting it, beta? Children, please listen carefully, don't be confused. So, vegetative propagation is nothing but we are not at all using any seeds to form a new plant. From the stem, from the root, from the leaf itself, new plants are arising, new plants are forming. So, such kind of growth, such phenomenon from where without seeds, if a new plant is forming, new plant is coming, such process is called vegetative propagation. So how the new plant is coming from the potato means the potato is having the outgrowths, the white color outgrowths which are coming on the potato. If we cut those white colored outgrowths after drying it sometime, if you place it somewhere in the soil, again it grows into a new plant. So we are not sowing seeds from the outgrowths only, another new plant is coming. So such phenomenon, such process is called vegetative propagation. Next comes to root. So how the roots giving rise to a new plant. So in your content book it is clearly given. So roots like the plants like carrot, beetroot, sweet potato. So dahlia, these plants, the roots, carrot is nothing but a root. We are eating carrot means we are eating root, the carrot plant roots we are eating. We are eating beetroot means the beetroot roots we are eating. So if any new plant comes out from the carrot means the plant is coming from the root. We are not at all sowing any carrot seeds at our homes. If we keep it, if we keep carrots in freeze for after 10 or 15 days, if we see sometimes the plants are arising from the carrot. That means the new plant is coming from the carrot. From the onion also like that only. So onion is a stem, carrot is a root. So any new plant is coming from the carrot or beetroot or from the sweet potato. So up to the, if it is attached to that carrot, it remains like the birds like that only in inactive form, in the dormant state. If we cut that part and if we plant it somewhere else, if we detach from the parent one, if we place it somewhere else, again it grows, it becomes active and it grows into a new plant. So how the plants coming from roots means some of the examples are carrot, beetroot, sweet potato, dahlia. From the roots itself, new plants will come. If we detach those plants from the parent one, from the root, and we plant it somewhere else, if we plant them somewhere else, so it again goes into the new plant. And when it comes to the leaves, from leaves, how the new plant is coming? From the leaves, how a new plant is arising? Leaf. So, best example is bryophyllum. Bryophyllum. It is a leaf. Bryophyllum is a leaf. So, from the leaf, is a bryophyllum leaf. From the leaf, new plants are arising. So, on the edges of leaf of bryophyllum, on the edges of bryophyllum, small buds are forming. On the edges of bryophyllum, these are the buds. So, on the edges of bryophyllum leaf, small buds are forming. So, these buds gives rise to a new plant. These buds, so we are not showing any bryophyllum seeds. On the leaf itself, all these like these buds structures are forming on the leaf. So when they present on the leaf, these birds, when they attach to the leaf, up to that time they are in the dormant stage. There is no growth. So their buds will arise like this and they will stop there itself. When once it is detached from the leaf and when it is fall on the ground, when it is coming in contact with the soil, when once this bird come in contact with the soil, again it goes into a new plant. So when it comes into the contact with the soil, if it is attached with the leaf, these birds like structures formed on the leaf of bryophyllum. So when they attach to the leaf of bryophyllum, when they are present, when they are with the leaf of bryophyllum, so they will in dormant stage. They remain like that only. When when once it is detached, when it is fall off, when it is fall off from the leaf, so when it come in contact with the soil, then it grows into a new plant. Here we are not showing any seed of bryophyllum. So when just the buds which are formed on the edges of bryophyllum leaf, so when the buds formed which are found on the edges of bryophyllum leaf, these buds when fall off, when detached from the leaf, when they fall, when they come in contact with the soil, they again grow into a new bryophyllum plant. Like that, without sowing the seeds, here from the leaf also a new plant is arising. Without sowing seeds, from the leaf portion, another new plant is coming, another new plant is forming. So such process is called vegetative propagation. We discussed about the stem, how the new plants is coming. We discussed about the roots, how new plants are coming without seeds. And finally, from the leaf also, new plants are arising. On the bryophyllum leaves, the bud like on the edges of the bryophyllum leaf, like that where the edges are there the buds are forming from that bud. So if they are attached with the leaf, if they are present on the leaf, they are in the dormant condition. They will not grow into a new plant. Once if they detach from the leaf, once they fall off from the leaf, when they come in contact with the soil, when they fall off on the ground, then these birds again they become active and they grow into a new plant. So this process, this phenomenon is called as vegetative propagation. Are you clear about beta? Whatever we discussed in this class? What we learned from this class? We can know that the new plants will also arise without seeds. In some cases, by some phenomena, new formation of new plants without plants. Are you getting it? Children, is it clear for you what we discussed? Please respond better. Vegetative propagation is clear for you or not?
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
clear.
Ma'am, it's clear.
Clear only. Children, please respond now. Did you understand what is vegetative propagation?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Okay.
Understand, ma'am.
I will send black notes for you. So please complete black notes. Meanwhile, go through this topic, first topic from your second black and complete the worksheet of first black. Sorry, first topic. What we discussed vegetative propagation. Regarding the vegetative propagation, whatever the worksheet is there in your workbooks, complete that worksheet and read the lesson thoroughly. Read it, understand it, and write the complete the worksheet. Okay? I think it is very clear for you what is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is nothing but so the parts like stem, leaf, roots of a plant are called vegetative parts. The parts of a plant like stem, leaf, roots are called vegetative parts. If any new plant is coming from those parts other than seeds, so that phenomenon is called as vegetative propagation. The plant is coming from stem means we are not sowing any seed. From the stem itself, new plant is coming. From the root itself, again, new plant is coming. From the leaf itself, a new plant is coming. Here we are not sowing any. So such phenomenon is called vegetative phenomenon as vegetative propagation. Okay, read the lesson well and tomorrow I will ask the questions regarding this topic. Read well and get ready for your next class.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, germination lesson question answers.
Yes. What your doubt, beta?
Germination block question answers.
Black one question answers.
Hmm.
Okay, I will send you. I not send. If you have any
Okay.
doubt regarding that one, please ask.
No, ma'am.
I will send the notes. I not send. Okay.
Cleared, ma'am.
Okay, okay, beta.